Large amounts of rust buildup are causing constant backups for our customer. We recommended a descale service to thoroughly remove this buildup. Descaling chains ready to go. Descaling in action. Hydrojetting in order to flush out loose buildup. Pipelining after the scaling service in order to reinforce the integrity of the old cast iron drain pipe. A balloon is inflated inside the liner to prevent it from closing while it dries. Balloon is then deflated and removed after the liner has hardened, leaving behind a smoother surface in the interior of the pipe and preventing future rust buildup. New two-way solar cleanout installed and ready for backfill. Life's better with a thumbs up.